Hey guys, just a little update on my spare parts build. It's mostly a spare parts, custom parts, 3D parts build. But have a look. So it's actually going to be quite a beast. Got some reverse mounted RC four-wheel drive wheels. Get them to stick out some more. The custom 3D printed servo mount and 4-link mount. Now these links are pretty long. I wanted to get a really long wheelbase. I don't have the steering links in yet, so it's kind of like all over the place. But I noticed I have gold links here and silver links here. They're both stainless steel. The difference is these are boom racing and these are homemade. I will be making more of these, but in these lengths. Maybe even a bit longer. But it's already got about 340 millimeters, I think. Give me a second. Well, my measuring tape's upside down, but that's what we got, about 340 millimeters. I still haven't found proper gear for this yet, because I'm going to need some power to actually turn these big tires. These tires are HB. I had a set of these on my Venom Creeper a little while back, if you look back on some of the videos. Now, most of the time you want the most of the weight on the front of the vehicle. So I might actually run this thing backwards, or actually move this battery plate up to the front, or make the back the front. It's going to be four-wheel steering anyway, so it won't really matter. I reprinted the lower plate, made a bit of modifications, made these corners a bit more round, thickened it up a bit so that the motor clears the links. Have some spare drive shafts. This one will fit in the back, but it's just a bit short for the front. So I took a coupling from an RC four-wheel drive, either TF2 or Gelande D90, whatever we want to call it, transmission to transfer case coupling, if you will. And I cut the end off, and now my drive shaft actually fits. And everything seems to clear quite nicely. Like I said before, the way the CR01 axles are set up, because you could put them on an angle, as you can see, the input drive is pretty angled upwards. So that makes for a very clear bottom of the vehicle. It's set up as in a droop suspension. So if I lift it, you can see the suspension drop, and if I put it down, it just drops a little bit. So I ended up using the CR01 axles, which are the Tamiya ones. They seem like the more logical thing to do. And if I wanted to, I take this grub screw out, and there's a locking pin for the diff. Right now it's locked, as you can see, but I can unlock it if I really needed to. So that's a bit of an option there. I really like the look of these reversed wheels though. Very nice and clean. Was thinking of fitting this body on it. actually installing it so that it's this low, but obviously cutting out a big portion of the body to do this. I think it would look cool sitting really low. It's too high. I don't know. We'll see. So I'm pretty pleased with where this build is going already. My original plan was to build something and sell it. And a friend of mine told me, he says, you're going to build it and you're going to want to keep it. And of course, he's right. It's just too cool so far. I can't wait to even try it for that matter. I'm not sure where I'm going to try because it's starting to get pretty cold here. So that's it for now. Stay tuned for the next video. Hopefully I can get it running in a week, maybe two. I don't know how much spare parts you guys got. But if you've been in RC for 5+ years, I'm pretty sure you got some extra parts laying around. You could probably build something with minimal purchases. So, and with a bit of innovation. I mean, a lot of parts can be made out of other parts, obviously. Let's see what you guys can build.